The 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 600 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, power windows, compass, electronic stability control, trip computer, heated front seats, rear window defroster, fog lights, tachometer, brake assist, Sirius satellite radio, HD radio. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.